Okay, the next type of log equation will be when we have to use a little bit of substitution, which we will see in a short while. Now, why this comes about is usually because one of our bases has an x rather than just numbers. So early on we had the case where both are numbers, one is bigger than the other, but we might have a case where x is one of the bases. So as a rule of thumb, normally what we will do is that we will change it to the number base. Alright, so we will keep this one here. And the 4 is still there, but this one here, alright, log 5 to the base x, we're going to change it to base 5 following this. So what we're going to do is that we have log base 5, log base 5, so 5 will go in here and x will go down here. And we are going to simplify this. Now, no change on the left hand side, 4 is still the same, but log 5 to the base 5 is actually 1. Right, so this is what we have, and we realize that we can actually write it as log x base 5 equals to 4 over log x base 5 plus 3. We can actually continue from here, but it looks a little bit difficult because we have log x to base 5 and we have 1 at the denominator and 1 here. So what we can do is that we can try to make it a little bit simpler by using a substitution. So what we can do is that we can say let u be log x to the base 5, just so that it looks simpler. Alright, so this whole thing is actually u, this is actually 4 over u plus 3. So we change this complicated looking thing into a simple u. And from here, we're going to do like normal algebra. So in order to get rid of the denominator of u, we're going to multiply every term with u. So we have u squared equals to 4 plus 3u times u times u times u. Bringing all the terms to the same side. This is what we have. And we are also going to factorize it. So we have u plus 1, u minus 4 equals to 0. And we have u can be negative 1 or u can be 4. Alright, so don't forget, we are using u to make our calculations easier. We did not start off with u. We started off with x. So you have to replace this back. Okay, so log x to the base 5 was u. So now we are changing this back to log x to the base 5. And same for this. Okay, and don't forget, when we change from log to exponent form, when we remove the log, the 5 will go and push it up over the other side. So we have remove 5 goes over, and this will give us 1 over 5. For this one, same thing, remove the log, 5 will go and push up the 4, and we'll be able to have it as 625. So we will check the validity. So in this case here, right, when we look back, these are both positives, so we are okay with the x value here. And we check again for the base here. Both of these are also valid, so which means that x can be or 625. So both are valid.